Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we are going to look at input groups, which allow you to easily extend normal form controls by adding buttons, text or button groups on either side of the input form type. So to do this, it's really simple. All you have to do is just create a div. It's going to have a class of input-group. Now you just do your input type. So for me, I'm going to do a text field. And for the type, it's going to be text. Class I'm going to have as form-control placeholder. I was going to put username area described by equals, I'm going to put add-on 1. This will just be the ID of our group add-on. So I'm just going to add it before. I'm going to put a span. Oopsie daisy. I'm trying to snap it here. Didn't mean to do that. So it's going to add span. And then we got to do a class. The class is input-group-add-on, and I've misspelled input. I put impt. Still put impt. Now I just need to add an ID, so this will just be add-on 1, and inside here I'm simply going to put $. So save that, go back to our browser, refresh, and so we have a input types, which is our text field, but at the side of it we don't interact with this, but we have a input type. We have a group add-on. So this is really cool. Even though I've put username, actually I'm going to change the text from username to something a bit more appropriate, like enter amount here. Okay, so if, for example, you're on some sort of payment website, or you're creating a payment website, and you have the option to send money to someone, at the left you could have this little group add-on which just shows what currency you're dealing with. So it's just an easy way of displaying to the user, this is $5,000. But you don't have to have this input group add-on on the left hand side. You can have it on the right hand side simply by putting it after the input type. So refresh, now it's on the right hand side. And what you can also do, put it on both sides if you need to. It's that simple. So let's go back and just make sure it's on the left. So that's input groups. To actually change the sizing of the input group, what you do is put input-group-lg for a large size. So go back, refresh. As you can see, it has now increased in size. If we want a smaller one, we put SM. If we just want the regular size, we just omit the sizing. So there you go, it's slightly smaller now. But for this little input group add-on, you don't have to have just something with plain text. You can even have checkboxes, radio buttons, buttons with drop downs, and to simply add them, all you have to do is put them inside this span tag right here. So we're going to leave that to you because we have videos covering those other features and components of Bootstrap, so just combine them with the input groups and you'll get some really cool looking elements for your website. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. Plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video and every other video in this series. So if you're having any problems, check that out as well. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help us provide you more content on a regular basis. And as usual, thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.